Hey guys, I wanted to share my craving that I had for, well, I was gonna make chocolate chip cookies again, but the chocolate chips were sadly all the way down, so I couldn't do that. But I did find a really good recipe for a chocolate cake on the back of this Hershey's Cocoa box. And I didn't know how it was gonna turn out, you guys, but I'm gonna put the description for the recipe in here because it actually turned out really good. And I don't know if you like your cakes like regular like cake or like fudgy cake, but this one ended up being fudgy and like really moist in the center. Who was I talking to today? My baby daddy. He was like, there's a couple things you could use the word moist for, and he's like, cake is one of them. So he's like, that's okay, because I was trying to lure him over here with that. So you can kind of see. Okay, so I'm gonna put the description for the recipe in here, but it's pretty basic. So instead of using like baking chocolate and all that, it's the cocoa. And did try the Hershey's Perfectly chocolate frosting. Oh, mom's talking. Well, no big deal. Hold on, mom. But you do the cocoa with like milk, butter, sugar, milk, vanilla extract. So it ended up being really good. You just cook it on the stove, and yeah, I saved it in here. It's kind of like, she said last night, she was like, that looks like a glaze more than a frosting. And she was right. It is more like a glaze than like a regular frosting, which is perfect because this was so like fudgy and like that in the center. You don't want to put too much frosting on top unless it's like that cake, you know? Cake. You want some, Mom? Just like a little bite. No, nobody ate it.
Too rich for me.
I know. I like.
I knew when you put all
you could tell.
Chocolate, yeah.
Yeah. I like it. I mean, I definitely get your craving for it. Like, it really doesn't need the frosting, but if you just do a little bit, it's like perfect. So I give it a 8.5 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I don't know how to rate these things, but I was just saying I'm pleasantly surprised. And the frosting definitely, my peeps, the frosting gets hard after I think it's perfectly perfect. That's what it's called. Hershey's Perfectly chocolate frosting. I think it's perfectly perfect when you first make it, because it's like really soft and glazy, but then like overnight it gets hard. It still tastes good, but you could like heat it up to get the consistency more like a glaze again, right? Well, I'm the only one who's enjoying it around here, but they're too scared to eat it. So try it, let me know how you like it.